Hello guys, 450 here. Today I'm coming in another video because I'm cleaning this car. So in some people's eyes it may look pretty clean, but in reality it's quite absolutely filthy. And some people might say, oh yeah, your rims look fine. That's all brake dust. So today I'm gonna be cleaning this up with some new cleaning products and seeing if they're really worth spending your money. But in reality, I'm probably. Hey, Future 450 here. I just wanted to tell y'all that most of these recordings were made like 3-4 years ago, and I'm going to upload more soon. So just be patient with your boy. Anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching, and let's go back to the video. First thing I'm gonna go try out is this Zip foam wall removing cleaner. It basically kind of gets rid of stuff like this, but it's made for walls, so let's give it a try on a car. I'm doing this so you don't have to. So I'm just gonna apply a pretty decent amount on that I think would meet the requirements. Alright, so look, to be honest with you, I don't know what I was thinking, but I think the reason why I did it was because at the time I didn't have a hose or like a foam machine, so I kind of used that instead. And I'm pretty sure there was a certain chemical in there that that could be used as like a degreaser. So that's another reason why I used that. So far everything looks promising. I'm gonna wipe it down with a clean wipe. And I mean, to be honest, that has actually looked way worse. I mean, like, that looks 10 times better than it did originally. Of course, it's gonna have to dry. Looks way better, in my opinion, than it did before. I might go over it again. I know it's definitely one of those things where I need to buff it out. So, I think that's what I'm gonna try next. Yeah, matter of fact, I take that back. We have to do this side of the fender first, and then we do that. Let's go. Bro, I wish I was lying when I said this, but the phone that I used to record this literally got damaged, and I got most of the footage backed up, and it didn't back up everything. So the video might be a little bit off. And here's the after. So pretty much everything turned out how I wanted it to. This hood, we're going to fix that in hopefully a couple videos soon. But otherwise, looks brand spanking new. Seriously. Absolutely amazing. So, next step, to clean that whole part of the car right there. Let's get started. Here's what you do next. You just continue. You spray, and then rinse it over with water. Right after that, you clean it with a microfiber towel. Repeat that on each side, except the rear. Right after you spray, rinse. Just like this. If you have a hose or a pressure washer, even better. So just rinse. Right after that. Now, right after you're done wiping and drying your car, it should look something like this. I'm gonna go through that on the other side. I hope I'm not gonna bore y'all with the same exact thing. So I'm gonna just clean the rims. Check me out. Check me out. Those look good. Those look good. So I got 3 more to go. Come check your boy out. That's the before. Here's the after. Actually looking much better than expected. And this side actually turned out beautiful. Very beautiful. Look brand new. Alright everyone. Sorry about this, but this is the end of the video. I'm going to provide an updated version of this video. I just wanted to get this one out to show y'all why I've been gone for so long. And I just wanted to say, I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a good day. And if y'all like my content, hit that subscribe button maybe. Or a like goes a far way too. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.